what are you going to do when the prison comes for you? Bad cop, what are you going to do when the prison comes for you? Hey, bad cop, what are you going to do when the prison comes for you? Bad cop, what are you going to do when the prison comes for you? Bad cop, what are you going to do when the prison comes for you? Bad cop, what are you going to do when the prison comes for you? Here at Superior Court, there is no grievance process or complaint form made available to the public. It is the mission of the court to provide the timely, fair, and efficient administration of justice under the law in a manner that instills and sustains the public's confidence in the judicial system. State and federal law requires all branches of the government and to have a grievance process, a complaint form, and make it available and accessible to the public. Neither the clerk of the court nor the administration offer this, being outside the law, with no place for the public to redress its grievances under the First Amendment. The state offers a bar complaint and a judicial complaint, yet neither are publicly displayed for educational purposes or available or forms are made available through the court. I would like an appointment to help implement this. Accessibility, transparency, and redress of grievances and accountable government are pillars of a free and just society. The judicial branch must be held to the same bar as the executive and legislative branches without undermining or violating the rights of its citizens. Government shall not have more rights than its citizens under the Constitution, and with all federal authority, these changes must be redressed and shall be implemented within 6 to 10 business days. Can you please identify yourself for the camera? Officer, please identify yourself. Please identify yourself. Please identify yourself. Veteran Security, please identify yourself. 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 Bad cop, what are you going to do when the prison comes for you? Can you tell me why the seal of the court is a blind woman wielding a weapon, holding a drug scale up for all to see? Please identify yourself. Please identify yourself. Please identify yourself. Can I have access to the courts?
No.
Can you tell me why you're denying me access to the courts?
I already did.
So can you tell me when I can access the courts?
Tomorrow if you'd like.
Do I have the right to access the courts?
I think you already got your answer, sir.
So can you tell me from law enforcement perspective, do I have the right to access the courts?
You already got your answer.
So can you tell me under the Arizona revised statutes what gives her the right to deny me access to the courts?
Sir, as you already know, since you're quoting ARS, it's not a statute. She was told that you cannot be in the courts today.
So
you can come back tomorrow.
she's a court administrator saying that I'm not allowed to access the courts.
Sir,
Can you tell me where under the law it says that she's allowed to deny me access to the courts?
That's all previously been explained to you prior to your reporting, and I'm not going to explain it again.
So can you tell me why I can't access the courts? Don't touch me.